Hey there, I'm Sophie. Believe it or not, I learned to speak English well in just 30 days. Yes, 1 month to stop feeling nervous every time someone said, "Hello, how are you?" Let me tell you how it all started. 30 days ago, my English was not good. I knew some words from Netflix shows. I could smile and laugh, but speaking English scared me. Maybe you're the same as I was. Day 1 was very hard. I decided to speak only English. In just 1 hour, my roommate thought I was crazy. Imagine trying to say that the fridge was broken using only your hands and a bad accent. It was very funny, but difficult. I found a helpful trick: shadowing. Shadowing is not scary. You listen to English speakers and repeat after them. You copy their words, voice, and even feelings. I chose funny YouTubers, cool podcasters, and interesting characters from Netflix. It was fun and made learning easier. Around day 5, something funny happened. I answered my mom in English by accident. She looked at me strangely and asked, "Are you okay?" I felt a little embarrassed, but very happy too. Then I started talking to myself in English. It sounds strange, but it helped. I talked about anything: my messy room, pizza toppings, pineapple is okay, and even pretended to break up with an imaginary boyfriend. Trust me, drama makes learning English fun. By week 2, I started recording myself speaking. At first, it sounded terrible. My accent was funny. But soon, I noticed improvements: fewer pauses and better pronunciation. Then, I had a great idea: karaoke nights in my room, but only in English. Imagine me Adele songs loudly using a hairbrush as a microphone. My singing wasn't great, but it really helped my English. On day 15, I decided to use language exchange apps. It was scary at first. It's like Tinder, but you look for someone to help with your English grammar. Funny, right? I met some nice people there. Emma from Canada taught me slang like "spill the tea." Jake from Australia laughed every time I said "mate" wrong. Thanks a lot, Jake. The last 10 days were all about listening and speaking more English. I listened to podcasts while walking. I watched Netflix shows without subtitles. I even ordered coffee in English. The coffee shop worker thought I was strange. Then day 30 came. I decided to call my friend from New York. Guess what? We talked easily. We laughed and she understood everything I said. Breaking your language barrier is not magic. It's messy and sometimes embarrassing, but it's worth it. If I can do it, so can you. Are you ready to start? Let's do it together. One important tip: make mistakes. I learned a lot by making many mistakes. Don't worry about being perfect. Every mistake teaches you something new. Another trick was setting small daily goals. I set simple tasks like learning 5 new words each day, Small goals help me stay focused and not feel stressed. I also wrote down new words on sticky notes. My room looked funny with notes everywhere, but it worked. I remembered new words quickly. I practiced speaking with friends online. They helped me feel more confident. We talked about movies, music, and funny stories. Speaking became easier each day. Sometimes I felt tired or wanted to quit, but I didn't stop. I kept reminding myself about my goal. It helped me stay motivated. I also tried watching cartoons. They were easy to understand and fun. Cartoons helped me learn basic sentences and common expressions. I used symbol books too. Reading short stories helped me improve my vocabulary. At first, reading was slow, but soon it got faster and easier. Learning English also became my hobby. I enjoyed finding new videos and podcasts to learn from. Making learning fun made a big difference. Finally, don't be shy. Ask questions, talk to people, smile, and keep trying. Remember, learning a new language should be enjoyable. Believe in yourself. You can break your language barrier, just like I did. Take small steps every day, and soon you'll see big results. Good luck. I'm cheering for you.